Today we'll be doing 4 DIYs, which the first one is toilet roll. We're teaching you how to make a gift wrap for a small present. So what you need is toilet rolls, and for decoration maybe you need some ribbons, tape, and your presents, the small presents. So let's begin. So with our toilet roll, the first step will be pressing it flat.
Remember to press it flat completely.
Yeah. So after you press it flat, the second step will be folding the sides in to like this shape. And the last step would be doing the exact same thing for the other side. So once you're done, you'll have this kind of shape, which is like a gift wrap for your small little items. So for example, if I want to give my friend lip balm, I just slot the lip balm in, or thumb drive. So you can do this gift wrap for Christmas, give it to your family and friends, and after that you can just go on with decorating it. Yeah, so this is also one of the final products that we have. Yeah, this is our first DIY. Yay!
So we're gonna reuse like whatever the school gave us for activity, the Lego pieces inside. So we would basically need the little human pieces, and then the little plate, and then other things that you can use to decorate it. So basically,
you want to say?
yeah. Put like your little humans on the plate, and then you can use the arms of the little humans to put your wire. So the beginning of the wire and probably the ending of it. So one person is one wire. So you know this is an iPhone cable. And then
You can see this is for Samsung USB-C.
yeah, so you can actually like use glue tack to tape it at the end of whatever cable you have at home, like near your plugs or something. So it's neat. So if you need to charge an iPhone, you can just plug it out and then charge it.
Oh, pretty amazing.
So our third DIY would be a
Phone holder.
phone holder, as well as a speaker. Yeah. So let's begin. So what you need is also toilet rolls, pen knife, and some decorative items. Let's start. So firstly, you need to draw out the shape of the phone.
You can cut it out.
Yeah. Use a pen knife.
Yeah.
Please be careful, don't cut your business. So you have to always try if your phone can enter.
Nope.
No? So you have to keep cutting it.
Cutting a little more. Try it.
Yeah, this should be alright. Yes. The label should look like this.
Yeah. So after this, you can just decorate however you want, and then maybe use the Lego from earlier on, and then put 2 of it at the bottom.
Create a
blue
stand.
flag.
Create a stand for it so you can stand.
So the end product will be like that, with the 2 little Legos on the bottom. Then let's try it out.
So it's definitely louder now. And also can put your phone here.
Yeah.
Alright, so this will be the last and final DIY for this episode,
We'll be using plastic bottles,
as well as a zip from my old bag, which I threw it away this morning.
and we're using a pen knife, usual glue, as well as some decorative items you will need to decorate your final item. So we'll be cutting the plastic bottle actually into
attach it to the plastic bottle. So now you have to wait for the glue to actually dry.
So you can leave it here. Then you go do whatever thing you want. Then come back in about 5 minutes. You'll be done.
A few moments later.
Hi, we're back after 5 minutes. This is ready to be used.
So be it a plastic bottle or an aluminium can, both can be made into a storage.
Hi, we're back! So this is the final product of our 4 DIYs.
Nice.
So do like, share and subscribe our video and comment down below on what you'd like to see next. Thank you, bye-bye!
Okay, you try.
Wait, look at me, but I want to keep the
Yeah,
scarf.
try.
Taking it out.